Hey there, want to supercharge the value of your Chase Ultimate Rewards points? Transferring them to airline and hotel partners is often the key to booking luxury flights and stays you thought were out of reach. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to transfer. In your Ultimate Rewards dashboard, click on Transfer to Travel Partners. You'll see a list of partners like United Mileage Plus, World of Hyatt, and British Airways Avios. Link your frequent flyer or hotel loyalty account, then choose how many points to transfer. Most transfers are instant, but some can take up to a few days. Once transferred, book your reward travel directly on the partner's website. My crucial pro tip: look for transfer bonuses before you move points. Chase occasionally runs promotions where you get a bonus, e.g., transfer 1,000 points, get 1,250 miles. Always check for current bonuses. They can significantly boost the value of your transfer. That's the strategic move that turns points into premium cabin flights and 5-star hotel nights. Do you have a favorite Chase transfer partner? United, Hyatt, or someone else? Share your go-to below. For more advanced point strategies, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.